Interactive play, especially with puppets or dolls, opens a wonderful avenue for children to explore their imagination and develop emotional understanding. These playful interactions foster creativity, empathy, and communication skills as children engage in storytelling, role-play, and problem-solving. Through the eyes of their puppet and doll friends, children can express feelings, practice social interactions, and explore the world around them in a safe and controlled environment. Let's dive into how you can make the most out of interactive play with your child. Activity: interactive play with puppets and dolls. Getting started. Gather a variety of puppets or dolls with different characters or animals. If you don't have puppets, simple homemade versions can be made with socks, felt, or even paper bags. Create a comfortable play space where you and your child can sit facing each other or side by side. Engaging your child. 1. Bring characters to life. Give each puppet or doll a name and a voice. Encourage your child to do the same and engage in dialogue. Ask open-ended questions to spark imagination. 2. Storytelling. Create stories together with the puppets or dolls as the main characters. Introduce simple plots that involve problem-solving, friendship, or adventure. 3. Role-play. Use the puppets or dolls to act out everyday situations your child might experience, such as going to the doctor, starting school, or having a playdate. This can help your child process and prepare for real-life events. 4. Express emotions. Encourage your child to express how their puppet or doll is feeling in different scenarios and why. This helps develop empathy and emotional literacy. Benefits: boosts creativity and imagination. Creating stories and character backgrounds encourages creative thinking and imagination. Enhances language skills. Dialogue and storytelling with puppets and dolls expand vocabulary and improve communication skills. Develops social and emotional skills. Interactive play allows children to explore complex social situations and emotions in a manageable way, fostering empathy and emotional intelligence. Encourages problem-solving. Working through stories or situations with puppets and dolls teaches children to think critically and develop solutions. Tips for maximizing interactive play. Be an active participant in the play, but let your child lead the storytelling and decision-making processes. Incorporate real-life lessons and morals into your stories in a subtle and natural way. Provide positive feedback and encouragement to boost your child's confidence and engagement in play. Rotate and introduce new puppets or dolls periodically to keep the play fresh and interesting. Unleash the power of imagination and emotional growth through interactive play with puppets and dolls. This form of play not only provides endless entertainment, but also valuable life skills your child will carry into adulthood. For more engaging play ideas and developmental insights, visit www.parentinggenie.com.au. Discover a community dedicated to supporting parents and caregivers in nurturing confident, creative, and compassionate children.